Stop what you're doing. What you're about to see will either terrify you or make you rich. There is no middle ground. This AI just did something that broke every rule we thought we knew about artificial intelligence. The revelation. While everyone is arguing about ChatGPT versus Gemini, Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 4.5 and it doesn't just think, it acts. Watch this. I'm not touching anything. Claude is reading my YouTube comments, extracting content ideas, and building a content calendar right now by itself. When was the last time ChatGPT opened your browser and actually did your work? The problem everyone faces. Here's the brutal truth. You're drowning in digital busywork. Emails, reports, data analysis, content creation. You're basically an expensive human copy-paste machine. The average knowledge worker spends 41% of their time on repetitive tasks that could be automated. That's 16 hours a week gone. While you're copying and pasting, formatting spreadsheets, and rewriting the same emails over and over, your competitors are about to leapfrog you with technology you didn't even know existed. But what if I told you that could just change forever? Getting started. Sign up and pricing. First things first, let's get you set up before I show you what this can do. Head to Claude AI and here's what you need to know about the pricing. The free plan gives you access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet, limited daily messages, basic conversation features, perfect for testing the waters. Pro plan, which is $20 a month, unlocks the real power. 5x more usage than free. Access to Claude 3 Opus, the powerhouse. Priority brand worth during peak times. Early access to new features, computer use capabilities, the game changer. Theme plan, which is $25 a month per user, is for businesses. Everything in Pro, higher usage, limits central billing and administration, early access to collaboration features. Signing up takes 30 seconds. Email, verify, and you're in. But here's the secret. Start free, then upgrade once you see what this can do. Trust me, you'll upgrade. Before you make your decision about Claude, make sure you subscribe. You will find my content very highly informative. Claude Basics, your first conversation. Alright, you're in. This is your Claude dashboard, clean and simple, but don't let that fool you. This is the most powerful AI interface you'll ever use. Starting your first chat. Click to the new conversation and you'll see something different from other AI tools. Writing styles. You can choose between normal, concise, explanatory, and formal. The normal one is balanced and conversational. The concise one is short and to the point. The explanatory one is detailed, creative, imaginative, and expressive. The formal one is professional and structured. Watch how the same question gets completely different responses based on the style you choose. This alone puts Claude ahead in the competition. Your first prompt. Let's start simple. Explain quantum computing like I'm 12 years old. Notice how Claude doesn't just answer, it structures the response, uses analogies, and checks for understanding. This is constitutional AI in action. It's trained to be helpful, harmless, and honest. But this is just the beginning. What I'm about to show you will change how you think about work forever. Artifacts, the game changer feature. Now let's unlock Claude's superpower. Go to your settings and make sure Artifacts is enabled. This is where Claude stops being a chatbot and becomes a productivity machine. What are artifacts? When Claude creates something substantial, code, documents, charts, it opens in separate windows. You can edit, download, or iterate without losing your chat history. This is the feature that makes $100,000 consultants nervous. Artifacts tutorial. Let me show you. I'll ask Claude to write a business proposal. Now look at this. Professional formatting, clear structure, ready to use. But here's the magic. I'll ask for changing and watch it update in real time. Add a financial projection section. It's editing the document live, adding exactly what I asked for without touching the rest. This is like having a professional writer who never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and works 24/7. Code Artifacts tutorial. But it gets better. Let's create a simple calculator app. Full working calculator, Beautiful design, clean code, and what if I want changes? Boom, instant redesign. No developer needed. That just saved you $2,000 in development cost. Chat and data visualization. Upload some data. Could be sale figures, survey results, anything, and watch this. Interactive charts, key insights, statistical analysis. This would cost thousands from a data analyst. And we're just getting started. Projects, your AI workspace. Here's where Claude becomes truly powerful. Your projects. Think of this as giving Claude a brain that remembers everything about your specific work. Creating your first project. Let's create a project for content creation. I'll call it YouTube Channel Manager, adding project knowledge. Now I can upload files that give Claude context. Brand guidelines, previous video scripts, audience research, competitor analysis, style guides. I'm uploading my brand voice document, successful video scripts, and audience demographics. This becomes Claude knowledge base for this project. Project instructions. Here's where you set the rules. I'll tell Claude, you are my YouTube content strategist. Always consider my brand voice, target audience of entrepreneurs aged 25 to 45, and focus on actionable advice. Keep content engaging and under 15 minutes. Using project context, now when I ask for video ideas, Claude knows my brand, my audience, my style. Watch the difference. Computer use, the breakthrough feature. Now for the feature that changes everything. Computer use. This is only available on the Pro plan and currently limited in beta. What you're about to see in the first time in human history, an AI can actually use your computer like you would. Installing Claude for Chrome. If you have access, install the Claude for Chrome extension. This lets Claude control your browser like a human would, but faster and without mistakes. Setting up browser control. Once installed, you'll see Claude's interface in your browser. You can set it to ask before acting or run autonomously. I recommend starting with ask first until you're comfortable. Creating automated workflows. Let's create a workflow that checks my YouTube analytics and creates a performance report. I'll tell Claude, go to my YouTube studio, check my latest video's performance, extract key metrics, and create a summary in Google Sheets. Watch it work. Opening YouTube Studio, navigating to Analytics, reading the data, opening Google Sheets, formatting the report, all without me touching anything. That task usually takes me 30 minutes. Claude just did it in 3. Scheduling automated task. Here's the killer feature. Scheduling. I can set this to run every morning at 9 a.m., giving me daily analytics reports automatically. While I sleep, Claude is working. While I'm in a meeting, Claude is analyzing. While I'm focused on strategy, Claude is handling operation. Email automation example. Let's automate email management. I'll create a workflow that reads my unread emails, categorize them by priority, and drafts response for routine inquiries. Claude opens Gmail, scans unread messages, identifies patterns, draft appropriate responses, and flag urgent items for my attention. 2 hours of email work done in 15, and the responses are better than what I would have written manually. Do you still think that this is the hype? Let me show you what happened when I replaced my workflow with Claude. Before Claude, email management took me 2 hours daily. Content creation 4 hours per piece. Data analysis half a day per report. Research hours of manual searching. After Claude, email management 15 minutes. Content creation 30 minutes. Data analysis 10 minutes with visualization. Research instant with source verification. That's not productivity. That's time travel. Let's do the math. If Claude saves you 2 hours per day, 2 hours multiplied by $50 multiplied by 2 workdays. That would be $25,000 a year. Claude Pro will cost $240 a year, and that's conservative. Most user reports 4 to 6 hours saved daily. The secret sauce. But here's what separates the amateurs from the pros. It's not about using Claude, it's about how to communicate with it. Basic prompt. Write me an email about our meeting. Pro prompt. Act as my business development manager. Draft a follow-up email to a client referencing to our discussion about specific project, incorporating our value proposition from document and suggesting the next step that aligns with their Q4 goals. Same AI and completely different answers depending on the prompt. The clear framework. Use this framework for better prompts. Context. What's the situation? Length. How long should the response be? Example. Show what good looks like. Audience. Who is this for? Role. What role should Claude play? Advanced prompting techniques. Chain of thought. For complex problems, ask Claude to think step by step before answering. Think through this step by Step 1. Analyze the problem. Step 2. Consider alternatives. Step 3. Evaluate pros and cons. Step 4. Provide recommendations. Role-playing. Give Claude specific roles. Act as a senior marketing strategist with 15 years of experience. You're a financial analyst who specializes in SAS companies. Respond as a customer service expert who handled enterprises clients. The difference in output quality is staggering. Advanced feature deep dive. Analysis tools. Enable the analysis tools for data work. Let Claude run Python code to analyze spreadsheets, create visualization, and perform complex calculation. I'll upload this messy transaction data and ask Claude to clean it up and find insight. Professional grade analysis that would take a data science hours, done in minutes. Google Drive integration. Connect your Google Drive for seamless workflow. Claude can read your docs, update spreadsheets, and access your files directly. I can reference any Google Doc by name, and Claude pulls it as context. Game changer for collaborative work. Screenshot analysis. Claude can analyze screenshots, diagrams, charts, even handwritten notes. Just click the camera icon and capture anything on your screen. I'll screenshot a complex flowchart and ask Claude to explain it and suggest improvements. It understands visual information like a human, but processes it like a supercomputer. Real-world use case. For content creators, complete YouTube management system. Let's build a YouTube management system. Content planning. Upload your successful video transcript to a project. Then ask for content ideas based on what works. Script writing. Use artifacts to create scripts that you can edit in real time while managing your voice. Thumbnail analysis. Screenshot competitor thumbnails and ask Claude to analyze them, what makes them effective. Performance tracking. Set up your automated workflows to track analytics and suggest improvements. One creator went from 10 hours per video to 2 hours with better results. For business professionals, email management system set up Claude to categorize emails by priority. Draft responses for common inquiries, schedule follow-ups, extract action items from long threads. Report generation. Upload your data and Claude create. Executive summaries, detailed analytics with chart, actionable recommendations, professional formatting. Reports that used to take days now take minutes. For developer, code generation and review. Claude excels at writing clean, documented codes, explaining complex algorithms, debugging and optimization, creating cases. Let me ask Claude to build a complete web application. Front-end, back-end, database schema. API endpoints all generated with explanations. Claude Sonnet 4.5 scores highest on every coding benchmark. It's not even close. The competitive advantage. Let's talk numbers. Claude Sonnet 4.5 scores 61% on computer use tasks. The competition? ChatGPT's agent barely hit 40%. Gemini, don't even ask. For coding, it's not even close. Claude crushes every benchmark. SWE bench, human evil, you name it. It's like bringing a rocket to a bicycle race. But here's what really matters. While your competitors are still copying and pasting, you're automating entire workflows. While they're spending hours on research, you're getting insights in minutes. While they're struggling with basic AI prompts, you're building systems that works 24/7. Major companies are already seeing results. 40% code development, 60% reduction in content creation, 80% improvement in data analysis, 90% of users increase productivity. The urgency. Here's what's happening right now while you're watching this video. Your competitors are discovering Claude. Early adopters are building unfair advantages. The window for being early is closing. Every day you wait is market share you're giving away. We're at the iPhone moment of AI. Remember 2007? People who got smartphones didn't just use a new gadget. They got a completely different relationship with information and communication and opportunity. This is the moment right now. McKinsey predicts that 375 million workers will need to change occupations by 2030 due to AI. That's not a prediction anymore. It's happening right now. But here's the thing everyone misses. AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing humans who don't use AI. The opportunity. And that's actually incredible news for you because right now, today you have the access to the same technology that Fortune 500 companies are paying millions to implement. Imagine walking into a Monday morning with a week's worth of work already done. Imagine delivering insights that makes your boss think you have a team of analysts. Imagine being the person everyone comes to because somehow you always have the perfect solution. Sarah, a marketing manager, now produces a month content in 2 hours. Mike, a consultant, delivers insights that used to take his team weeks. Jennifer, a startup founder, automated her entire customer service system. They all started exactly where you are right now, watching a video, wondering if this is real, deciding whether to take action or not. So here's your choice. You can close this video and go back to doing things the old way, spending hours on tasks that could take minutes, competing with outdated tools, watching others pull ahead, or you can decide that today is the day you stop being busy and start being unstoppable. Your 30-day action plan, step by step. Week 1, the foundation. Sign up for Claude, start free, complete basic tutorials, set up your first project, practice fundamental prompting. Week 2, integration. Connect Google Drive, create automated workflows, build prompt templates, start using artifacts daily. Week number 3, optimization. Upgrade to Pro plan, set up computer use if available, create complex project, develop specialized workflows. Week 4, mastery. Build comprehensive systems, train team members, build productivity gains, plan advanced implementations. What you get? I have created the complete Claude Sonnet 4.5 Mastery Package, dozens of proven prompt templates, step-by-step workflow tutorials, project setup guides, troubleshooting handbook, video walkthrough, private community access. The guarantee: use these systems for 30 days. I bet you will save at least 10 hours per week. That's how confident I am that this will work. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry. It already has. The question is, will you be leading that change or will you be scrambling to catch up? The difference is they decided to act. The question is, will you? The gap between AI users and non-users is growing every single day. Subscribe to this channel to make sure you're always on winning side. I'll break down every major AI update so you don't have to. Don't stop here. If you want to learn about what roadmap to follow for AI learning in 2025, check out my in-depth video on the topic. It's nothing like you have ever seen. Don't be the person who missed the AI revolution. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to like this video and comment what feature you loved the most.